Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing interview. This is a Zalvex wallet here. It has some nice features. Let's check it out. It's got this little screwdriver. So this one is kind of metal. Got a bunch of little extra screws there as well. Okay, little product manual. And here it is. Got this kind of like this carbon fiber look on here. That's kind of cool. Like a money clip there. It's like a metal case. Holds quite a few cards. So what's neat about this, you put the cards in there. To extract them, you just press this button and it shoots them out the top. So it's very cool. Got our little clear spot here for our ID. Let's throw some cards in here and test it out. See how comfortable it is here, shall we? Okay, you got some cash in here, and the clip holds it nice and tight in there. It's pretty firm. This card holder here, we just push that out from the bottom and grab that. This has a couple spots or a couple sleeves here, also for cards. Got your clear thing for the ID right there, and then if you need to pop up your cards, boom, just grab them, whichever ones you want like that. So quite convenient. Let's check out how it fits in the pockets here, shall we? All right, well, looks pretty good here. I usually wear my wallets in my front pocket, so it's kind of convenient there. See it fit in the back pocket. Okay, let's test out sit down. Yeah, I mean, it is metal, but it's not very like super thick or anything, so kind of small. Nice, the money clip seems to hold stuff in there really good. Like the little magnetic feature. So if you want to pay for something, you can just pop that out real quick, hit the button, get the cards out that you want, cycle through them or whatever. Boom, I need that one. Put them back in. So very handy. Pretty sweet little wallet here, actually. Seems to be pretty durable. This material looks pretty stout. RFID blocking as well, so people can't just come up and swipe your information off there. Pretty slim design there. A little slightly bigger than like the credit card as far as a thickness and length. Obviously, if the credit cards can fit in there, but nice little wallet. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.